Hey, what's going on? Justin Temple here with a quick video on attraction marketing for beginners. So if you are someone that is new to attraction marketing, this video is going to help you greatly because I'm going to share with you exactly how I rank within seconds and how this video is another testimonial for the testimonial that I just shot and just ranked again. So I'm literally just going from video to video to video ranking and getting attraction marketing traffic. So I'm going to share with you how I do this in this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. This is going to be hands down the best video you've ever watched on attraction marketing because I'm going to show you how it's really done. So what I do, for example, okay, so let me go to my channel. Okay, so here's my channel, and this is the video I just posted, and this video is a video of me talking about how I ranked this video. And this video I posted like 30 minutes ago. Okay, so we can see that video was posted 3 hours ago. Okay, as time goes a little slow for me because I work a lot or whatever. But yeah, so let's see. Here's the attraction marketing for dummies, and now let's go to incognito and go to attraction marketing training. Okay, so we can see right here that I'm ranked second. Okay, so I posted it 11 minutes ago and I'm ranked second. Okay, so how do I do this? Okay, so I just posted a video 3 hours ago, and then I just posted this video 11 minutes ago, and all of these videos are just videos about the previous video that got ranked. It's like the silliest thing ever, but I'm just trying to show you how it's done and how easy it is. So let me show you. It's hilarious. I love doing this. Okay, so let me show you how I do it. So attraction marketing for beginners. What do? Well, you actually make content or videos about keywords. So what we're going to do is go to YouTube or whatever search engine you prefer. You can go to Google or YouTube. I make YouTube videos, so I go on YouTube. So we're going to do whatever niche you're in. Okay, so if you're going to do attraction marketing, or sell network marketing, or sell MLM, or that kind of industry, well, we can go and do attraction marketing. And we got a lot of ideas right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make videos about every single one of these. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm literally making a series on the attraction marketing keyword. I just did a bunch of network marketing. Look, network marketing, recruiting. I did all the network marketing recruiting ones except for one or two. So, and I'll get to those eventually. But yeah, see, look, I just went on a whole network marketing keyword binge right here. Okay, so now I'm going to do a whole attraction marketing keyword binge. And that's it. That's all it is. And so so what we're going to do again is go to YouTube, type in attraction marketing, and we're going to see if we can make a video about any of these topics. Okay? A lot of people worry about long tail, short tail. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That means nothing. As long as you're not trying to rank for attraction marketing, the most broadest of the niche, you're fine. Some of them are really, really competitive, like attraction marketing Facebook might be pretty competitive. Let's see right here. Well, I mean, this video is ranking for all of these keywords, so it's probably not that competitive in all honesty. Because a lot of these similar videos rank for all of the similar keywords. But anyways, let's say you wanted to do network marketing. Okay, whoops, kind of misspelled that. Okay, so here's a bunch of network marketing. Oh, I am just not doing good on this keyboard. Boom, okay. So network marketing training, network marketing tips, network marketing Facebook, business, pro. Okay, so there's network marketing keywords that we can use. Also, we can take this keyword and plug it into a tool called Ubersuggest, and it will go ahead and give us additional keyword suggestions. Okay, so right here, it's going to go ahead and load up some keywords. Click View More. Okay. So now you only get 3 searches with Ubersuggest per day. So you can use your computer and then your phone. So typically I like to find a more specific topic, like I'll take network marketing tips and I'll put that into Uber Suggest. But I'm just giving you an example for now. So that's what I would really do. But from here, I can even have a lot of keywords to make videos right here. Network marketing books, network marketing pro, that's a company, Eric Worre. Network marketing leads, okay. Secrets to network marketing, okay. So we can make videos on literally every single one of these keywords. So attraction marketing for beginners is, what keyword are you going to make your video about or your content about? That's step one. Okay. The next step is, do you know enough about the topic to say something about it? Can you make a little 4 or 5, 10-minute video about the topic and not make it boring? Well, maybe I'm boring, but at least I say a lot of stuff. At least you learn from me, right? If you just watch the video, you'll learn from me. At least you get something. So don't try to be like someone that's like, hey, so keywords are important, and like, you know what I mean? Like, you want to just say what you got to say. Just say it. Okay, get it the fuck out there. Okay, stop being a little wussy. Okay, just say what you got to say in your videos and get through it. And it's what you got to do. Okay, just get through it. Say stuff. Okay, people say not enough in their videos, to be honest. You need to say more. Okay, so get educated on what you're talking about, and you can talk slower. Like, for example, if you're not so educated, talk a little slower so the video ends up being a little bit longer. And just kind of take your time with the ideas. That's okay. You don't have to talk fast. You don't have to talk slow. You don't have to talk any way that is other than you. Right? You can talk how you want to talk, but I'm just saying there's some things that you want to kind of keep in mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little bit of a knowledge to talk about whatever keyword we're going to pick. Okay, network marketing. Let's just do network marketing MLM. Okay, let's just talk about that one. Okay, so what we're going to do is go make a video with a tool called Screencast-O-Matic, 100% free tool. That's what I'm recording this video with right now. And I have a cheap $15 Logitech camera that is recording this video, so I don't use anything techie or expensive for my attraction marketing. Now, once I go ahead and have the video done, I upload it to YouTube, okay? Now, I do follow some very specific rules with my title, my description, my tags, my thumbnail, and how I actually upload my video. Okay, so if you want to learn how I upload my videos and rank them, then go ahead and check out the Home Business Academy Premium, which will be the first link down below. And you can get 2 weeks of premium for free. And check this out. You can go to Get Traffic Free, and then we have YouTube ranking right here. And this is exactly how I learned how to build my YouTube channel and do attraction marketing as a beginner. Okay? So YouTube big picture, search engine optimization basics, YouTube channel strategy, YouTube channel setup, and we got keyword research, we got video tools and equipment, and etc. We got a lot of information on this, 15 videos total. Okay, video formula, and then we got video editing, okay, file size, upload and optimize, creating a thumbnail, adding cards, okay, and then we got release and publish with basic syndication, so how do you syndicate your videos? And then we also have advanced ranking with paid backlink options. Okay, so really, really great training on how to do YouTube and attraction marketing. And this will allow you to generate free traffic, free leads, and free sales. Okay, so let me show you right here. Let me scroll down real quick. Oh, I actually did get a lead just now. So for example, I got a lead at 254. Okay, so these are my leads that come in. I get several leads per day. So, you know, these are just a bunch of different programs. Some are some emails that are coming in from my leads. But these are all leads. Okay, this is where I get my lead notifications to. I don't get any other emails to this other than leads or people that are replying to me from my list. Okay, so these are all leads. Okay, and these are all free. Well, not all of them. Okay, so hold on. If you see anything with TA dash, that's going to be paid traffic. However, I'm not running paid traffic right now, and I'm still getting TA dashes. So somewhere there's something messed up in my funnel where I just named something TA dash and it shouldn't be TA dash. So I gotta, there's some things that aren't quite perfect with my funnel, as far as like tracking and stuff. So right now I'm not running any paid ads, but I'm still getting the TA dash tracking on my leads. So I just gotta figure out where that mess up is. But yeah, that anything other than TA dash is going to be free leads, okay? Here's where I was running a big old solo ad with my buddy Paul. And then, we got a bunch of leads here. And if we go down, 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 you won't see any TA dashes because eventually I used my YouTube channel to get into paid traffic, okay? So if we scroll down enough, you won't see any TAs eventually. You'll just see free leads, but that might take a little while, okay? Oh, we're starting to get into it now. Okay, so no TAs anymore. So these are all free leads before I even started buying paid traffic. So I used the attraction marketing strategy that I just showed you to get all of these leads. And then above, I started to get into paid traffic, okay? So these are all free leads. I don't see any TA dashes in here. No TA dashes. So these are all free from my channel. Okay, so this is how you do attraction marketing for beginners. It's not hard. You just gotta stop being a little bitch, get a fucking video camera, and make some videos about keywords. Yeah, you're a wussy. You ain't gonna succeed because you ain't gonna do what it takes to succeed. Okay? Look at all these leads. I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling because I put in the work and I bust my ass. Okay? That's why you ain't getting leads. So, attraction marketing for beginners, this is exactly how to do it. So let me go back to premium, and this is the training on how to do it, okay? So if you have any questions on how to do attraction marketing for beginners, I am a real coach, a real mentor, and sometimes I'm actually really blunt with people, but I'm also really kind as well. So I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm not going to tell you anything that you don't need, and I'm going to give it to you straight. Okay, I don't sell people stuff just to sell them stuff. I only partner with affiliate programs that have certain specific use cases. For example, HBA right here has a funnel builder. So this funnel builder you can use for any network marketing program, any business, so it's a universal tool. So I don't try to company switch people. I don't try to do anything like that. I try to give the picks and shovels and the resources that you need to actually succeed, and I'm a mentor that will help you with it on the back end. Okay? So that's the attraction marketing for beginners video. I'm going to be going through more attraction marketing keywords, so check out the rankings for my videos, and chances are the rankings will probably drop over time. Okay? They'll settle in somewhere a little bit lower than number 1 or number 2 usually. But this is how I do it, and if you want to learn how to successfully do attraction marketing and stop pitching friends and family, then go and click the first link down below, justinleontemple.com, and I'll be able to help you on the inside. Also, I got started in network marketing when I was 16 years old, and I actually did not start pitching friends and family. I got into a network marketing business that sold education on marketing. So that's where I started, and that's where I began. And so I've got over 10 years of experience. I actually dropped out of high school to pursue online marketing, make money online. And so this is how I help people in what I do as a career. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value from this. Stop making your marketing so freaking complicated. You make little videos. Look, and my time's about to end. I only got 50 more seconds. So that way it keeps me in control and I can just pump out videos. Pump, 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 pump. Okay? Pump them out. Pump out your content. Stop being a little wussy. Stop being a bitch. Get your content out. Make your content. Educate yourself and start making content on this stuff. If you're stupid, then search the keyword and read the blog posts that are ranked on Google about the topic. And then just make a video about what you learned. Have some decent comprehension skill, and you'll be okay. Stop making your marketing so hard. I'll teach you the real skills. All right? Click the links down below. I'll see you on the inside. JustinLeonTemple.com. All right? Make it a great day, my friend. Let this timer run out.